Fuck the rules.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Halil Zilullah. This is my full name and my short name is Oong. And I'm from software engineering. And I want to tell you how to clean your chats or dump file in your mobile phone. And I'm using Rammaster application. You can get this application on the Play Store. And before it, I see chats in application in my mobile phone. Instagram, look before use Rammaster. Chats 187 kilobyte. And another one application is look at this. Now you just open this Rammaster app and just tap the button Trash Cleaner and just wait. This application scan all chats in your mobile phone. Just click Trash Clean. Just wait a second. And look back your application chats on Instagram and look this chat now 0 byte. Look, no chats in this application. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Fuck the rules.